Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making some shrimp with creamy garlic sauce, and these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. So here I have my shrimp. This is like a pound of shrimp. I have black pepper, sea salt, some butter, some extra virgin olive oil, some parmesan cheese. I have also the freshly shredded parmesan cheese. I have some garlic cloves, heavy cream, and parsley. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to come and do is season our shrimp. Okay, and I will have the ingredients in my description and exactly what I'm using. Okay, so adding pepper and salt. Okay, and then I'm going to come with my clean hands and I'm just going to mix everything around, make sure everything is nice and coated well. Okay, just like this, and then we're gonna jump to the next step. See? Okay guys, so now what I'm gonna come and do is put my flames on a medium and add my olive oil, and we're gonna let this get hot for a few seconds. Okay guys, so now that my oil is getting hot, what I'm gonna come and do is take my shrimp and I'm just gonna place them. Okay guys, don't forget to like this video and share it out to your friends and family if you like what you're seeing so far. Guys, this is gonna be so good, and if you guys try this, please let me know. If you guys have any recommendations, what you would like to see next, also let me know in the comments. I do respond. Okay, so we're gonna let these shrimps are already cooked, but we're gonna let it get like a golden color. So we'll be right back. Okay guys, so this has been cooking on this side for 7 minutes. Now we're gonna come and we're gonna flip it. You see how it has that like golden color? That's what you want. So we're gonna fry it on the other side for 7 minutes as well. Okay guys, so now that it's been cooking on 7 minutes on this side, I'm going to lower down the flames and I'm just going to remove my shrimp. Okay? And then we're going to jump to the next step. So guys, now I'm going to come with my butter. And we're going to add it in here. Okay? And I'm also going to add my mashed garlic, okay? Just like this. And then we're just gonna mix everything. And we want this to cook for at least a minute. You want it to thicken up a little bit, okay? So we'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that this has been cooking for a minute, I'm going to add my heavy cream. Okay. And I'm also going to add my shredded parmesan and my parmesan powder. Okay. And I'm also going to add some parsley. Okay. And now I'm just going to whisk everything together just like this. Okay, this smells so good. Oh my goodness, you don't even know. So once you have it whisked like this, make sure your flame is on low because you don't want it to burn. You see how the cheese is already melting? Look at that. Just want it to thicken up a little. So give it like maybe, I want to say like 30 seconds. So we'll be right back. Okay guys, so it's been 30 seconds that my sauce has been cooking up. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna give it a stir one more time. Just like this. And now the best part, we're gonna add our shrimp. Once you add it, let me turn it this way for me. You're just gonna mix it in there. You want everything coated. You can also turn off the flames. Let's turn off the flames. And that's it. This is ready to serve. Look at how good and creamy that looks. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's serve this. Okay guys, so I made this with some creamy mashed potatoes, and all you want to do is add it right on top. Just like this. Look at how good this, oh my goodness. And then you come with some of the gravy. And that's it. That's all it is. That is ready to eat. Look at how beautiful. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comments. I will respond. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And like always, have a blessed day. Enjoy.